Can't wait till I get... Oh, let me make sure this is working properly. Cool. And I'm going to turn that off. Okay. Man, I can't wait until I get my audio interface. Cool and like sounds really nice. Oh. And then your mom would be like, I should watch that stream you be talking about. So why would the nice color you met that sounds like he has a nice voice? Anyway. That's how I feel, man. Oh, man. Oh. I'm ready as fuck to get rolling. I'm Druid. Hold on, don't say anything important. I had to refresh the page. There, refresh the page. Now you can say important things. Oh. Thanks for waiting. Have a blast in Newtown. Oh man, I got mail. Who sent mail? Oh, oh no. Oh! This is a good point. It's an excellent point. What are these doing here already? He said it was gonna be like, oh, we're sending this to you tomorrow. I can't do this shit. I got to fucking pay for my basement. Oh. Wait, what is he doing here now? I thought he had to... Oh. Well, shit, now we're already... Well, now I feel like a fool. I waited all that extra 35 minutes only to be here. Oh, and now I'm not seeing the video preview properly. If you break the video preview, then of course it must work properly when it's done being broken. All right, let's. Cool, baby. I'm always catching new hipsters on the scene. Am I a hipster? Is that what I am? My name's Tony Cookie, but when I'm out here playing my tunes on Saturday nights, I go KK Slider. I'm all about the music, man. I don't need fame or fortune. Commercialism for squares. It's not my bag. Want me to jam for you? Oh yeah. Cool. Something you want to hear, just let me know, tell me the name of the tune and I'll jam. Not really. Cafe KK. Oh, thank you. This is a good starting song for this sort of situation. No, I said thank you. A happy Valentine's Day to you too. Give me the air check for Cafe KK. The air check. I can't get more than one song for him. Ah. He hates to be a drag, but God, this house is so fucking ugly right now. Popping a tune. Well, that's really everything that I wanted to do here. There's nothing really extra to do at this point. I didn't know he showed up at 9. I can't really do anything until the next day. So that thus concludes the shortest. Yeah, exactly. Thus concludes probably the shortest stream I've ever done. I'll go ahead. I mean, come on. I got you know. I gotta go. I can't. I am simply unable to. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the screen that nobody sticks around to watch, apparently. If you believe certain people. So, while she does that, you can't see it. I'm gonna just move this down here. I will be back tomorrow. Oh, you don't even know. You don't even know, man. Tomorrow is gonna be. Well, thank you. Damn it! I gotta get this, and then I got it. Oh God! Apparently on the fucking dot. Right. I'll probably be early tomorrow and do some Animal Crossing before 7. But once 7 rolls around, I'm finishing Majora's Mask. It's finished tomorrow. Believe that shit. I'm gonna finish it. All of it. The last, 8 heart pieces, the 1 heart container, the last dungeon, the final boss, the final mask, all of it. Tomorrow from 7 until it's done, which is probably 11 maybe. Wouldn't be that interesting at all. But that's what we're doing. I don't know, maybe more Far Cry 3 after Majora's Mask. I don't know what'll happen after that. You think I know anything about anything at all? I probably updated this 4 times, but I'll update it again. So, yeah, if I if I finish it really early, I'll find something else to do. So yeah, thank you for being here, Mr. Dr. Walrus. Have a great night. Okay. I'm probably going to close Steam and watch Voyager and then go to sleep like a human being should. Thanks, everybody. It's been a fun week of Animal Crossing, and I appreciate that. So I'm going to call it a night and see you guys later. Okay, bye.